Cherries, these bright red, beautiful fruits are so yummy. This is a different variety. I guess there are two varieties, but this one tastes really good. And most of the time, there's nothing left to share. I just climb these trees like a monkey and pick them all, and we eat. This is a special variety of plum, or also called as prunes. I'm not a great fan of these prunes when they are ripe, but the best idea is to dry them in the sun, and then these are very good remedies for constipation. So whenever I'm traveling, these dry fruits just help me. Next to it comes the peaches and the nectarines. With so many nectarines and peaches, I ended up making peach wine. Not just grape wine, but peach wine too. It was yummy. So this apple tree had close to 100-200 fruits. I picked a few, I shared a few with neighbors. Other than that, most of it went to make juice. So it's just juicing. I have this cold press juicer, and it just squeezes the juice out of the apples, and they taste delicious. So the golden juice. As you're aware, I don't use any fertilizers or growth inducing anything, any chemicals, nothing. So it's all very organic produce. I had a couple of passion fruits too. So passion fruit, let me get one. There's one right here. See? So this stays a little longer. So I cut these passion fruits and I just eat it as is. I mean, my daughter likes to eat it as is. I add some honey to it, while my husband likes to add some lemon and honey and make it a juice and drink it. Or a few passion fruit. Just got this one to show you the inside of it. So just basically looks like seeds. It's so good. Just eat it as it is. It smells amazing, and I love this. And see my beautiful pomegranate. This is really large. It's huge. So pomegranates, we make juice. I also store in the freezer. I just take the seeds out and then store it in the freezer and use it later. Whenever we feel like we want to juice it, I just put it in the blender and juice and drink it. That's with the palms. Also, this is the fig tree. So I have two fig trees. One has fruits that's pale yellow when it is ripe. Inside is red, but this is like real black outside, and inside it is red. So this is another variety of figs. So figs also, I just can't resist figs. It's good if you can get a lot and try it and keep it for future, but I kind of tend to eat figs. It's just like my snack. Next to fig are these beautiful pomelos and oranges. Next to the orange tree, we have these grape plants. These are vines that spread across. I have 3 varieties, but we have yield from 2 varieties this year. One tastes so sweet. I just call it candy grapes. I think there is a variety called candy grapes. And the other one is black grapes. Preliminary use of it is juicing. I also make wine. See, this is the one. And here, this is my sweet candy grapes. This small one is the blueberry. I just got it this year. So hoping to have few blueberries pretty soon. This one here is the guava. See that? Almost ready. Hopefully it is ripe by winter and I get to eat some. The next is the banana plant. Okay, there she is. Has very small bananas. And there ends the video of organic exotic fruits in my backyard. Hope you like this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Good taste and flavor.